Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I'm making a quick and delicious egg milk bread breakfast. Soft inside, golden outside, and lightly sweet with a beautiful buttery flavor. This easy recipe is perfect for busy mornings or evening snacks. In a bowl, take 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well until nicely combined. This style bread breakfast is popular in many countries. Now add 1/4 cup milk, 1 tablespoon milk powder, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix again until smooth and creamy. Vanilla adds a sweet bakery style aroma. Take some bread slices and cut them into halves. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Dip each bread piece into the egg and milk mixture, coating both sides well. Place the soaked bread pieces into the pan. Fry on medium heat until both sides turn beautifully golden brown. Do not soak the bread for too long. Milk and egg together create a rich and soft texture. Simple bread can turn into a delicious breakfast in minutes. Use medium heat to avoid burning. Egg provides protein and energy. Milk adds calcium and nutrition. Homemade breakfast is fresher and healthier. A quick homemade meal can be both tasty and filling. Your soft and buttery egg milk bread breakfast is ready. Serve warm with tea, coffee, or fresh fruits. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy homemade recipes.